Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel you guys, and if you're seeing this face for the first time, then my name is Ananya. I would really like you to go and check my other videos, and if you like them, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. First of all, happy 200 subscribers to all my family who have joined, to each and every one of you. I'm really happy, and it's all thanks to you guys. So thank you so much for that. And then today I'm gonna film a really fun challenge. I've been seeing this on YouTube for a really long time now, so I thought why not just do it, right? So I have this 5-minute makeup challenge जिसमें मैं 5 minutes में I have to complete my makeup, and let's just see how this turn out. I have not practiced it before, trust me. I take a lot of time when I do my makeup. I want everything to be so perfect and everything, so I take a lot of time. So I have my phone right here, and इसमें अभी मैंने 5 minutes का टाइमर डाल दिया है. If you are interested, then keep on watching. First, let me pull my hair back because this is gonna create a lot of I have this peculiar pimple which is not hurting, and it's like a bump. Now it has converted into pimple. It looks really bad, I know. I have all my makeup right here in front of me so that I can grab as soon as whatever I want first. No, I'm really nervous. I don't know what is gonna happen, but I am just gonna do it in a 5 minutes, right? Let's just do this. So yeah, here I start. मैंने start कर दिया है. So now quickly what I'm gonna do is take this one, Good Vibes Almond Oil. I'll just quickly do whatever I like to do. I'm rubbing it all over my face. Okay. You know, जब आपका टाइम कम होता है ना, तभी आपके साथ ऐसा होता है. I'm just putting the oil. Yeah. I'm just waiting for oil to sip in. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna jump into our eyebrow. For eyebrow, I'm using this Nykaa's eyebrow thing. It is, we never go out without eyebrows, right? And it is a really very pigmented pencil, so just keep that in mind. I don't have time for telling you the shades, तो shades number down नीचे description box में I'll leave, so you just can go and check it down there. See, मैंने mess up कर दिया. God, it's fine, don't panic. It's fine, don't panic. देखो, it looks so bad, you guys. See, I know, I always mess up. Okay, it's fine. I think it's perfectly fine now. What I'm gonna do is jump into primer. I never start my makeup without primer, and this is how the primer use. I'm using the Nykaa Prep Me Up primer, and मुझे पता नहीं कितना टाइम हो रहा है, but I hope और टाइम हो. Learning pretty late. And I'm using this foundation now. This is the Fit Me foundation. I'm really sorry guys, I don't have time to explain it to you. Let's just quickly do our makeup. I'm gonna do a pretty light coverage makeup, you guys, जो daily basis पे सब करते हैं, you know, daily basis वाला. It is not going to be something very extra or glam. I'm just gonna do it simple. Why is this closed? Why is this stuff closed? ये open रहे. Okay, I just have 2 minutes left. I didn't know I have to work this fast with this. God, I have just 2 minutes left. What I'm gonna do now is take this eyeshadow and put that all over my lid, right? ओके, आ ही नहीं रहा है. ओके, दिस लुक्स प्रीटी गुड. ये बहुत अच्छा होता है यू गाइज. आई एम गोना टेक सम ऑफ दिस पाउडर and just dab it all over my face just to set it in place, right? मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है. 1 minute left you guys, 1 minute left. I don't know, I'm panicking, I don't know what to do. This is the blush. I'm taking a little bit of blush. I'm taking the lipstick. Lipstick is really important, you guys. Yeah, my makeup is done. Let me just apply a little bit of highlighter. Yeah. Yes guys, I completed my makeup with 5 minutes. I didn't know इतना टाइम चला जाएगा. I have got many more products like kajal and everything to put. My makeup is pretty much done. This is the everyday makeup which you can go out. Guys, this is my final makeup look, and if you liked it then don't forget to like this video. This was a really small video, but I really wanted to do this challenge. I really wanted to know what is all this heck about, and I have not concealed because this is the if I'm going out with my friends or somewhere, then I don't like to put a lot of concealer. I just give a really nice base and then just go out like this. I really like to put a lot of blush and lipstick and eyeshadow because वो shine देख रहे हो eyes में जो shine है, it looks beautiful. If you like this video then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye, take care. Mwah.